What's up, y'all? You already know how I go. It's your boy B back with another video, y'all. Oh man, if you don't know who I am, man, my name is Brandon Jones. I specialize in helping you make an extra income, and I'm sorry you gotta see the first video that you're watching like this in the car, but I am on the go. As everyone knows, man, I stay on the go because I gotta make this money. You know what I mean? I got goals and places I want to be to make this money. So I'm filming this on Sunday. Most likely you guys are gonna get this on Sunday, man. I gotta work on stop saying but today, as you see in the title, I'm gonna tell you guys how literally yesterday, last night, I lost out on a really big deal. It's really bothering me. I need to talk to somebody, so I figured I'd talk to you guys because we are a family. Listen, listen, before I get into it, I need you to subscribe. It got mad dark because I'm in the woods. But I need you to subscribe. I need you to hit that bell. I need you to make sure that you're following me at Educated_Hustler as well. Follow me, because I am putting out bangers, yo. I'm putting out bangers, and I'm gonna help you guys make an extra income, whether it's flipping phones, flipping electronics. I'm also gonna show you guys more of my life in vlog styles. And also, guys, if you guys don't know, I do own a store in Philadelphia, PA, so I'm gonna be shooting a lot of videos about my store as well, keeping you guys up to date with my progress. And I'm really excited. You know, I'm excited. I appreciate all the support I have got. I don't got 100 views, you know what I mean? I don't got all of that, but I do see people really watching my video and my content, talking to me, coming on Instagram, DMing me. I'm working with some of you guys. Some of you guys are actually literally making your lives different, you know, and it's really cool seeing people want to elevate their lives. See, I used to use this channel to create vlogs and pranks and to sit there and try to make people laugh. But now doing more so how-to videos and actually experience and showing you guys like things that actually can impact your life, I'm starting to realize that this is what I think my calling was. You know what I mean? Like, my calling was to do this. My calling was to show people how not to fail the way that I did, you know? And I never want to make it seem as if I'm perfect or I'm in any type of better position than you, because I'm not. No matter how much money you have or I have, it doesn't make someone, you know what I mean? What really makes somebody is their integrity, the experiences that they go through, how they handle resolutions, how they fix things, you know what I mean? That's really what makes you, you know? So I try and keep that humble side of me, but also be real with myself and bring myself down to reality sometimes, because sometimes, you know what I mean, my shit stink just like yours, you know what I mean? But so y'all, we're gonna talk about this stupid behind decision I made, and I lost out on a really big deal. And I'm only upset about it because if I really would have executed on this deal, I could have cashed out and just took the phones to my buyer today, literally this Sunday, and then recycled and just used all that capital to get more phones. But regardless, this is what happened, okay? So boom, yesterday I am at lunch with a business partner talking about our Telegram. Hit the link below in the description to join our Telegram chat. So we're talking about material that we're about to put in the Telegram, and I get a buyer that a seller, I'm sorry, that texts me, and the seller texts me and he's like, I got 7 iPhone Pro Max 256. How much? So initially I'm like, oh yeah, this is a nice little jackpot. So I was like, unlock the lock. He was like, they're locked to AT&T. Rule number 1, whenever the phones are unlocked, that's a gold mine. Whenever they're locked, you got to deal with a seller. I just woke up. You got to deal with a seller complaining about how low the price is, bro. The phone is locked, my guy. So I tell him, I'm like, all right, so if it's locked to AT&T, cool, whatever. Now I was getting paid like maybe $620. We're just gonna make numbers up, honestly. I was getting paid around $620. And again, I always told you, I always try to make a good profit. But when it came to this, man, I was just so preoccupied and just being not that smart. So what I said was, I was like, all right, I can give you $480 for each. And when I said I can give you $480 for each, he was like, damn. I was like, yeah, phone prices are going down. Now that would have been a huge profit for me, and I shouldn't have did it, because I should have looked at it as being a lot of quantity. But the reason why I offered him that low of an amount was because of the quantity of the phone. I'm not trying to give out all my capital for one buy, because then somebody can, and it's not all the money, but I'm saying I'm not trying to give you $4,000 to $5,000 and you stop doing whatever you're doing to get the phones. Or I don't want to kick out all of my capital just to purchase something from one person. So if you're starting off with a low amount of money and somebody is offering, or somebody has like the highest phone, and let's say you only got $850, you're not going to sit there, and you shouldn't sit there, and if somebody has an iPhone Pro Max unlocked 256 gig, you shouldn't sit there and just say, all right, I'll give you the $850, and now you just stuck with one phone. Even though that phone gonna pay you probably $1,000, it's like you only made a $200 flip, when you can essentially change that, and you can get a whole bunch of iPhone 13 to 700. I mean, for 300, and flip them to 700. You see what I'm saying? So you could have got 3 iPhone 13s and flipped them and sold them 700 each, and all you had to pay is 900. You know what I mean? Get $50 from your grandma or something. Get $50 from your mama. Something. But nevertheless, I told him 480. He was like, I don't know. He was like, damn. I was like, yeah, so when you want me to so then he was like, I don't know, bro, because I'm really shopping around, because it's not just my money, it's actually other people involved right now. And I was like, all right, so how much do you want for it? That's what I asked him. I'm like, all right, let me gauge what this bull want for it. So he was like, see, I was trying to look for 700. I'm like, bro, 700 is not gonna work. Like, I'm not about to pay you. I can't pay you 700 for these, because they're locked. So I ended up being like, all right, I'll go up. I'll pay you 520. So when I said that, I didn't get a text back. So I'm like, oh crap. Either he sold it to somebody else, or he thinking. So about an hour goes by. Remember, this is, I offered him 480 first, and then I went up to 520. Hour goes by, and then he's like, damn, bro, another buyer just offered me 640. So I was like, I'm like, all right, I'll do 645, right? And then he was like, oh, I'm on my way to the buyer right now. I'm gonna get some more phones, and I'll hit you up. So more of the story, y'all, is I kind of messed up, and I want to show you guys my mess ups, and also, you know, my successes. But I messed up because I offered somebody dirt bag prices, and they took their business somewhere else, and now they probably don't trust me as much as I wish they did. You know what I mean? All because I was trying to be greedy, and that's not how you do it. It's just not how you do it. You can't try to be greedy, and that's a big problem, because I really messed up, and that could have been an extra $300 profit. Even whatever it was, I should have took it, and I should have just dished the phones off, and instead I didn't do that, and that really bothers me, because I fucked up. And but I will say this: you live and you learn, and I'm definitely learning from it. And I just wanted to get on here and explain this to you guys and talk to you guys about it, because I feel like, you know, if you're going on this journey, or you're thinking about going on this journey, you could possibly do what I just did and try to lower your offer dramatically. You know what I mean? I mean, so, like, here's the thing: I'm not saying don't do it. But you gotta pick your people. You gotta pick your people, and you gotta pick the phones you want to do it with. And I read it wrong, and I did it wrong, and I just wanted to show you guys and tell you guys, matter of fact, a story on how I did a horrible deal, and a deal went wrong. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna still buy phones. I'm gonna still deal with people. I don't know if I'm gonna deal with this young man ever again, because you know what I mean. I don't like the whole like negotiate with me. You know what I mean? Like talk to me a little bit. Like speak to me. I mean, I do know I'm a hard person to negotiate with, because I come equipped with a special set of skills. I come equipped with a special set of skills, but a special set of negotiation skills. But it's just like, you know, negotiate with me, man. Like at least try. Like, you feel me? Like don't just go to another buyer. I don't know. I feel hurt. I do. I feel hurt. Cause I just feel hurt. But he had to get his money. So I gotta just shut up. You know what I mean? I gotta just shut up. And I gotta take it like a man. And I'm gonna learn from it. And we're gonna continue to go. We're gonna keep flowing and going. Making this money work for us. So if you have watched this whole video, man, please comment something, man. Comment flip, man. If you watch this whole video, I just want to see who watches the whole video. Comment flip. Even though I know you're probably not gonna comment, do it for me, man. It's gonna make my morning. Comment flip if you actually watch the full video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you for subscribing. I appreciate you so much. Like, you don't even know how thankful I am. I'm thankful. You know what I mean? I'm thankful. And I am very appreciative, and I understand that it's hard out here. Like, we all trying to find different ways to make money, because we got the monkeypox going on around here. We got a lot of things coming up, and we just want to make sure that we're safe. And I got y'all back like a broad strap. My name is Brandon Jones again, man. I specialize in helping you make another income, and I'm gonna always be here for you guys. So make sure that you guys subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at educated__hustler, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.